Hello YouTube. I want to apologize in advance for this not being the greatest quality video because I'm going to be moving around a lot. What we've got here is an iPhone 3G that somebody gave me because I'm always asking people for their old iPhones so I can hack them, mess around with them or whatever. And this is an old Linksys router that Linksys decided not to offer any technical support for anymore because it's old. So what we've got here is a very simple file sharing network that's independent from the internet. The router acts as a catalyst to allow files to transfer between a computer and iPhone. So the iPhone works as a flash memory. It has a flash memory of 46 megabytes. It's got 6 gigs of available storage. So what I do is I take the iPhone and I use its Wi-Fi to log on to the Linksys router. And then on my computer, I log into the Linksys router. And then I open up a program called CyberDuck, which does SSH tunneling. I'll show you step by step how it works here. Let's disconnect and start over. Get rid of this stuff. Let's start from scratch. So this is CyberDuck. I'm using this on my Mac, but you can also use it on a PC. And it's free. You can download the Windows version or the Mac version, and they just ask you to donate. So I'm going to donate to them because they've offered this service which makes this little network possible. So let's get right into it. I'm going to go down over here and open up CyberDuck. And before we do this, let's explain how we're actually able to access the iPhone. So I've renamed that Linksys router the SSH dead drop because that's basically what this is. It's a dead drop that's accessed wirelessly through SSH tunneling. So I'm logged on to that Linksys router. What we do is we go up to here to open connection and make sure that this is on SSH, which is File Transfer Protocol, SFTP. Click on that. Server on the iPhone. Let's go over here. When you log on to the router, I've jailbroken this phone so it makes it easier. It tells you what your Wi-Fi IP address is, and that's the IP address that the router is assigned to the iPhone, 192.168.1.10. I hope that I got that right. Okay, username, the SSH provided by Big Boss on the jailbroken phone. They have default username is root, password is Alpine. That's just what they provide you with. You can change it. I'm not sure how to do that yet. I'll find out. So you click connect. That's probably because I entered this in wrong. (192.168). I'm dyslexic, so I transposed the numbers. 198.162. This is the second time I've done this. I have a learning disability. root, Alpine, connect, and bam! This is the file storage on the iPhone that's wirelessly being brought to me through this computer by that Linksys router. So I have a copy of the CyberDuck zip, and you could just double click this and it will download it. Ask you for your password again. Since I'm running it, I don't need to download it, but I would just put Alpine right there, log in, and it would give me the file. You can also go up here, so that's how you download files from here. You can also go here to upload, and then you just choose what file on your computer you want to upload to the dead drop, to the iPhone. So the iPhone is a wireless dead drop, and that Linksys router makes it possible. So that's pretty much it. That's how it works. Pretty kick-ass.